Here's a 510 Willow Street in South Scranton. On-street parking. Nice 3-bedroom, 1 bath, full basement with a nice back deck. Single family house. Decent sized front porch too. And that's pork chop. Say hi, pork chop. Nice big living room. Dining room area here too. Nice, has radius soffits. Whatever you call them, I think this. That's the basement steps going down. You have your washer and dryer downstairs, a gas dryer hookup. Nice big kitchen. Dishwasher, gas stove, pantry / coat closet. And here's the back deck. Coat hooks out here. Nice size back deck. Shared backyard though. We manage the back house as well. It's a duplex up and down. You have a side entrance there for the unit, and the back entrance is actually the main entrance for them. House trash cans and the side entrance. It's all wood floors throughout. Nice big bedroom. Fit a king size bed in here, no problem. It's pretty large. Closet. Has a smaller bedroom. Fit a full size bed in here, no problem. Third bedroom. Fit a king size in here, no problem. With end tables, dressers, and everything. And here's the bathroom. It's updated, but yet it has the old school tub and sink. New shower surround. Old vanity. That's pretty cool. Even had a slot for the razor blades. There's just switches over here. Show it off. All right, if you're interested in this property, just go to our website, parasoleproperties.com. That's Parasole, properties, plural, IESNTN.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. I'll show you the basement real quick. You also have Bilko doors in the back too, so you can get inside the basement to the access. This comes with the property too, a little workout set. Boiler, hot water heater, gas appliances. Here's your washer and dryer hookup. Some shelves down here and stuff. Screens for the house. And circuit panel. Everything's freshly painted. Floor's redone. The deck was redone. That's it. So if you're interested, go to our website and schedule a showing with us. Say bye, pork chop.